Misty gorgeousness today. Good morning. It's long run day. It is lightly raining. It's going to be raining on and off all morning. But as they say, you never know what race day is going to be like. So we're gonna go out in it. And I was going to go to Belleville and practice the race route because 2 weeks to race day. But I noticed this week that Military Ridge, this shelter here, has their bathroom and water fountain open. So I think this will be a better choice for today, and maybe next week I'll try. And I'm also going to do a little bit of pavement today because the tunnel at the trail race I'm going to do is closed right now because it needs some maintenance, and so there will have to be some part of the race that goes on the road. So I'm going to do a little bit of that today to get ready. All right, let's run. Well, it seems that I've run right out of the storm. And I'm in a dry spot here. It's gorgeous. All right, well, I'm a little more than halfway through. It's been wonderful. Most of the time it has not been raining. So I'm back where I started. And I am going to fill up my water bottles here. This is so nice. Don't even have to open the car up. And I'm going to hit the bathroom and then head out on the other side of the trail. So let's go. All right, that's 12 miles done. That's the longest run I'll do before my half marathon. Next week will be a step back week and basically what they call a taper, so that your body can rest and get ready for a full effort on the race. It turned out to be a wonderful morning, so glad I didn't let the rain deter me. So it was quiet out there, beautiful, temperature was perfect, and I really enjoyed it. Okay. Till next time. Thanks. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. We are just going to do a nice easy 3 here at Pheasant Branch. It smells just heavenly. And I'm just going to enjoy it. Let's run. All right, well, that's 3 miles done. It's very pretty in here. I love all the fresh smells and all the birds. I saw bunnies. It's just been wonderful. Until next time. Good morning. It's another rainy one today, but that makes it feel like spring. All right, let's run. All right, that's 6 miles done. I love when my middle of the week run becomes as long as my long runs used to be. Kind of like getting 2 long runs a week, and I feel like that's a present. Something I was thinking about while I was running is that I used to not like to run in the rain. I found it an inconvenience before I was injured. But now that I'm running pain-free, it seems that weather and pace really seem insignificant and don't really factor in for me. I'm just so happy to be running and to be pain-free that I really don't care about anything else. So thanks for joining me for another week. I'm getting excited for my race because then that means I'm on to marathon training, and that's my favorite. All right, find some joy in the journey this week. Thanks for watching.